I have not moisturized my hair since the day that I made this mini twist.
The scarf was nowhere to be seen. I look a mess.
I always look like a homeless chicken.
You see it? You see it?
This is what my hair is looking like. This is what my hair is looking like. Clock it.
Okay, that's enough.
Hi babes and boys, welcome to another episode of Natural Hair is Easy. And for the first time this year, and really for the first time in a long time, we're having another a week in my hair video. Clock it. Today is Monday and I have had these mini twists now for about 10 days. I know it's going to be 2 weeks by this Thursday, so yeah, I've had it for a while. And if you know that my natural hair freezes up very quickly. Like, I can't explain it. And here's another disclaimer: I have not moisturized my hair since the day that I made this mini twist. But to be fair, you see that right now I currently have a scarf on my head. I have been living my days in a scarf, in a bonnet, because look at me, I work from home. I always look like a homeless chicken, so there's really no need to have my hair out anyway. But it's about that time for me to re-moisturize, and I thought, hey, that would be a great place to start this a week in my hair, because usually I don't do a lot to my hair. This a week in my hair can literally be today I moisturize my hair, and then 1 week from now I come back and say, hey, I'm still here. Yeah, I'm going to try to carry you guys along every single day, especially on the days that I'm going out, so that you can see how I like style my hair and do my hair for all the different places I gotta go. Okay, all right, okay. Yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So these two in the front, I normally just roll them in bantu knots so that whenever I need to go out, I can just, unroll them and bam, instant encupment mostly. But it's time to moisturize my hair, so I'm definitely going to lose the curls anyway. So generally, this is what my twists are looking like. Also, forgive the mess that is my room, but anyway, this is what my hair is looking like. It's already looking pretty aged, but it's got some weeks left in it, I believe. So for moisturizing my hair, I'm basically just going to use water and this hair butter. Honestly, my hair is not dry, but this is just like maintenance, like just so that the rest of the week I do not completely forget my hair and then it gets dry. It's very good practice to moisturize your hair before it gets dry, because as soon as it's dry, damage starts to happen. So to prevent that, just go ahead and moisturize. It's just like how you don't necessarily have to be thirsty before you drink water. Sometimes you just drink water. And if you're one of those people that will see you're thirsty before you drink water, that's not good for your health. Someone gotta tell ya. Okay, I like how she's puffing back up. She's looking like she's got a little life inside of her. That's good. That's good. Okay, next is the moisture butter. I am so upset that this thing is about to finish. I love this butter so much. I'm just gonna have to order another one. Oh, I mean, BK Organics, if you'd like to work with me again, that'd be cool too. Oh my god, you guys need to feel how soft my hair is right now. It is insane. Insane. This is why you shouldn't wait till your hair is dry before you re-moisturize. Just the feeling alone, it just feels like that's the only way I can describe it. It just feels like Alright, anyway, that's it for that. I'm going to go ahead and pack my hair back into a low pony. And that pretty much wraps up day one. I'll tie my scarf back, get back to work. And then since I'm already tying the scarf now, I'm guessing this is just how I'm gonna be till I go to bed. So like nothing's really gonna happen tonight. This is really it for day one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Okay, so it is actually still day one and it is currently 10:36 p.m. You remember how earlier in the day I said that I'm probably not going to do anything to my hair again today? I completely forgot that today was my filming day. I filmed 3 different videos with 3 different hairstyles. This is one of them. I'll put clips of the two other hairstyles that I did for my two other videos. Okay, so this wraps up day one. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I don't believe I'm going anywhere tomorrow. Wednesday, I have midweek service. Thursday, I think I'm supposed to go to my office on Thursday, but I guess we'll see. And Friday, no plans for now. Saturday, also no plans for now. But we'll see how the week unfolds. Yeah, it's been real. This is day one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hi y'all, welcome to day 2 of a week in my hair. Today is Tuesday, and as you can see, my hair is still in the same bun as it was yesterday. The clip is still in my hair. I just tied the scarf when I went to bed like this, but that was not a great idea because by the time I woke up, the scarf was nowhere to be seen, along with one nail. Although I think this one removed while I was filming. I don't know. See, I woke up a mess, okay? And my hair is still like this, and I don't think I want it to stay like this because it will shrink in that position and then it just look weird when I pull it down, as you will soon see. I look a mess, okay? I look a mess. My twists have this funny way of shrinking unevenly, so one side will be shorter than the other and it just looks like a bad bob. I'm probably going to midweek service tomorrow. So in preparation for that, I'm going to put these into like twists so that they can stretch small and maybe get curly a little bit. My hair still feels so incredibly soft and moisturized since yesterday. Honestly, like I think some people feel like your hair is not moisturized unless it feels wet, and as soon as it doesn't feel wet then you need to re-moisturize, and I'm here to tell you that that's actually not true. These nails are cute and all, but they make it so hard to get things done. I'm going to remove them today. I cannot continue. You should see me when I type. I'm not even going to show you. I'm so ashamed. Like, my nail person was trying to turn me into a bad bitch by force. And I thought I could do it. I really did. I really thought I could. But nope. I'm a cutie patootie. Not a baddie. And that's okay. That is okay. God, I beg. Film with natural light is said. Now look. Mosquitoes entering my room. Okay. I think we're done now. And thankfully, there's no rogue twist, because usually when I do things like this, is after I'm done I'll now realize that there are two twists that just did not enter any curve, okay? But today there are no rogue twists, and also to prevent them from loosening, I think I'm going to also like put it into like a bantu knot as well. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my bonnet. I'm at home, I don't really feel the need to have my hair exposed, and I mean, if it gets hot, sure, I'll take it off. But for right now, everything is cool. Everything is a-okay. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye. Hi, everyone. Today is day 3, and we're on our way to midweek service. It's fine. The twists did their work. I made my hair all curly and stuff, but I don't know if I like it down with like this. I have this like artless hair tie and a claw clip here. Let's see if I can do something interesting. BRB. I did a little something, one of my usual hairstyles, to be fair. It's not as if I did anything incredibly innovative, but yeah, got curly twists in the back, curly twists in the front, and curly twists above. Curly everywhere, and I think it looks cute. But yeah, this is day 3's hairstyle going. My hair has been in those twists, in those bantu knots, in a bonnet all day. Literally just took off the bonnet like right now. I think it's in the, you can see there in the back seat. And then yeah, I'm going for a midweek service, and after midweek service I think I'm just going to roll my hair back into twists and knots and chuck it back inside a bonnet, because that's just what I do.
We say we serve God by His Spirit.
Hey guys, guys, welcome to day 4 of a week in my hair. And yes, this is how I went to bed yesterday. So you remember my hairstyle from yesterday where I had like the curly bangs and then I packed my hair up and then I left some down. So in those 3 sections I kind of did something utterly ridiculous. So the fringes, I put them in this, like, I don't know what this is called, but I did them like this, and then the middle one, and then all the hair that was at the back. Yeah, it's a mohawk. You see it? You see it? Anyway, so I'm about to actually go out. I don't know, this week has been more eventful than I thought it was going to be. So today I have to go to my office to film some content. Now I work fully remote, but my house, as you can see, it's not the best for filming like professional office content. So I'm going to the office so that I can use like the office setting, office chairs and things like that to film this content. I need to dress up now and book an Uber so that I can zip out, but then I'll also style my hair and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done with everything, because I can't film as I go. I'm about to change my clothes and everything. So yeah, guys, when I tell you that I completely forgot that I was filming, I've gone and I've come back. Anyway, I just decided to go with the same hairstyle that I did yesterday, just that it's not quite as curly as it was yesterday, but it still looks good. Yeah, I still look pretty cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put my hair back in the mohawk and put my bonnet back on and then go back to work, because it's currently about 2:40. Still very much in the middle of the work day, so I gotta go. But yeah, that's the update. I forgot I was filming. But I still, went out looking cute. Bye. Hey people, welcome to day 5 in a week in my hair. Today's Friday, and as you can see, my hair is in a different style today. I have my claw clip on, and that's because today I had my MBA project defense. Finally, jeez, I'm so happy to have had that and just like get that done and just out of the way. Okay, I need a day. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go swimming. Let's do that. At least if I go swimming, I can show you how like I re-moisturize my hair after swimming. Although I'm just saying it, I may end up not going anyway because I don't really like leaving my house. But anyway, yeah, I had my project defense today, my capstone project defense for my MBA, and it went really well. Like the external examiner was like, "Oh, you guys did a solid job. Your marketing strategy is apt, blah blah blah," and I'm like, anywho, that's how today has been going. I haven't worn my bonnet because today has been very hot. They've taken lights like 2 times today now. It's so hot. So yeah, I'm not I don't really feel like doing bonnet. All right, that's it for day 5. It's getting really noisy for some reason. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's looking like rain is about to fall and then everywhere is going to be dark. So now is the best time for me to do this video real quick. No, I did not go swimming on Saturday. I don't know, like I spent the whole of Saturday in bed before I even realized that, hey, I was supposed to do something. It was already 6 p.m. and I was like, damn, I really was exhausted. So I really didn't do anything on Saturday. So my hair literally stayed in the bonnet all day. Then on Sunday, I just packed all my hair to the back and left out like 2 strands. And when I just wore like a shirt, jeans, and sneakers, and I just went to church. Like this entire weekend, I could not be bothered. Okay, so I really didn't do anything to my hair. I have not done anything to my hair, and it's already the end of the week in my hair. So I hope this convinces you and not confuses you, that you don't really need to stress yourself like that too much, when it comes to hair care, especially if you are someone who works remotely, your hair is almost always in a bonnet, and you have a very good moisturizer, whether it's a leave-in conditioner or a butter or whatever. I think the most stressful thing about my hair care routine right now is the fact that I have to layer a leave-in conditioner with a moisture butter. I think there was a time where I had a leave-in conditioner that didn't need butter at all. Like I just applied the leave-in conditioner and that is that. And I cannot wait to get back to those good old days. Honestly, I'm even working on something that would take me back to those good old days and keep me there. But until then, yeah, it's been real. It's been a week and it's the start of a new week. Today's Monday. Wish me luck and I wish you luck, and
I don't know when you're going to see this, but whenever it is, have a great day. And I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, mwah, bye. Take it easy.